We are diving right back into the ocean, folks. Today we're going to learn about the colossal squid, Mesonychoteuthis hamiltoni. They live around Antarctica in the Southern Ocean, and they are the only recognized species of their genus, and they are the largest known invertebrate by mass. So we only have a few specimens of the colossal squid. They do live in the pelagic zone, so they're quite far beneath the surface. But the largest live specimen we collected was in 2007, and it was 495 kilograms, or 1,091 pounds. Now we have found beaks that are larger than the one we found live in the stomachs of sperm whales, and so we think that those squid could possibly be 600 to 700 kilograms, or 1,300 to 1,500 pounds. Now I did say that they're the largest invertebrate by mass because this is the colossal squid. It's not as long as the giant squid, which is in the middle here, and as a comparison, this is the giant Pacific octopus. Now the max length of the colossal squid is about 9 to 10 meters, or about 30 feet. And not only are they the largest known invertebrate, but they also have the largest eyes of the animal kingdom. This one was 27 centimeters in diameter, about the size of a soccer ball, so about a foot in diameter. Their eyes also glow in the dark, which is kind of cool. This is actually 1/2 of one lens, so again, just a massive eyeball. And they think that they can actually see the bioluminescence that are in the plankton of the pelagic zone. Their eyes are so important that actually 80% of their brain is dedicated to processing visual information. And if you think their eyes are big, check out this freaking massive beak. They need to crush their prey into really small pieces because their esophagus is only 10 millimeters wide and it has to fit through their donut-shaped brain. Yes, you heard me correctly, the squid's brain is shaped like a donut. So these guys are ambush predators, and they actually use bioluminescence to attract prey towards them, and things like arrowworms, toothfish, and other smaller squid, and then they'll basically attack and eat them. And they actually have a very, very slow metabolism because they kind of just float most of the time. They're not active hunters. They let the prey come to them. They only need about 30 grams or 1 ounce of prey per day. And what eat colossal squid? Well, it is a major prey species for sperm whale, which also eat giant squid, and sleeper sharks will also eat the adult colossal squid. And because the young are a lot smaller and often found near the surface, they can be eaten by beaked whales, pilot whales, elephant seals, toothfish, and albatross. And they have 3 types of death traps on their tentacles. So on their arms and tentacles, they have these serrated suckers. The tentacles are the really long ones, and the arms are the shorter, the 8. And so the arms are going to have the standard hooks that cannot move, and the tentacles will have these swivel hooks that can rotate 360 degrees. And they have 3 hearts. 2 branchial hearts are going to pump blood to the gills, and then once the gills oxygenate the blood, it will be pumped to a 3-chambered systemic heart, which pumps it to the rest of the body. And their blood is blue, not red like ours, because we have hemoglobin in our blood, which contains iron, and they have hemocyanin, which contains copper.